Hi guys, welcome to the second part of the building the calculator project using C++. So in the previous part, we just displayed a simple this particular message on the console. In this, we'll be adding a little logic to the program. So what we have to do is, let's directly jump into the code and then we'll check it out. So initially we have the calculator display function. So it basically gives a display of saying in the form of string saying welcome to the calculator, choose one operation, add, subtract or exit, and then it returns a display. So till this part we had seen in the previous video. Now in this particular video we have a function, calculator function. So in the input is basically user's choice. If user enters 1, then we have to give the output saying let's initiate addition. If the user enters 2, it says let's initiate subtraction. If the user enters nothing, like if it doesn't enter either 1 or 2, if it enters something else, then we say exit the program. So we are not actually exiting the program, we're not actually subtracting or adding, we're just gonna say that we are gonna initiate addition operation or initiate subtraction operation, etc. So again we're converting the calculator display, and then we take the user input. So how do we take the user input is we prompt the user to select the operation, he enters the input, and then we call the calculator function, and that displays the whatever we are initiating addition or subtraction, etc. So now let me try to initiate subtraction. Yeah, so it says initiate subtraction, simple. I'll submit a program. So we'll actually perform the addition or subtraction in the next video. So test cases have passed, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.